Peppa's Paintbox. Choose someone to play with, me or George. Done. Ooh. Save. Back. Done. Ooh. Peppa Pig. Peppa Pig.
Choose a slot to... Why not try a dot to dot? Matching pairs. Peppa and George love to play matching pairs. Match all the pairs to win a sticker. Can you see your score? Touch the cards to make a pair. Have a practice. Then try against the clock. Mrs. Duck. Super. Rocket ship. George. Rocket ship. That's it. George. That's right. Well done. You've won a sticker. Well done. You matched all the pairs. There are lots of fun games to play here. Dot to dot. Peppa and George love to play dot to dot. You can win a sticker for every picture you complete. Touch the flashing stars with your finger to complete the picture. Well done. You've won a sticker. Are you sure? You can win a sticker for every picture you complete. Touch the flashing star and draw a line to the next one. Well done. You've won a sticker. Are you sure? You can win a sticker for every picture you complete. Touch the flashing star and draw a line to the next one. Well done. You've won a sticker. Are you sure? You can win a sticker for every picture you complete. Touch the numbers in the correct order to complete the picture. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Well done. You've won a sticker. Well done. Are you sure? You can win a sticker for every picture you complete. There are lots of fun games to play here. Talking Parrot. Peppa and George love to play with Polly Parrot. Win a sticker for every 10 silly sentences that Polly says. Press the squares to make a silly sentence and then touch the tick box. Polly Parrot will repeat everything that she hears. Peppa Pig is a red frog.
Peppa Pig is a red frog.
Try another one. Mummy Pig is a funny car.
Mummy Pig is a funny car.
Try another one. George is a blue pig.
George is a blue pig.
Try another one. Danny Dog is a big pumpkin.
Danny Dog is a big pumpkin.
Try another one. Daddy Pig is a green yo-yo.
Daddy Pig is a green yo-yo.
Try another one. Rebecca Rabbit is a yellow chicken.
Rebecca Rabbit is a yellow chicken.
Try another one. Pedro Pony is a silly banana.
Pedro Pony is a silly banana.
Try another one. Keep going, you've almost won a sticker. Susie Sheep is a red monkey.
Susie Sheep is a red monkey.
Try another one. Peppa Pig is a happy pig.
Peppa Pig is a happy pig.
Well done. You've won a sticker. Try another one. Mummy Pig is a blue yo-yo.
Mummy Pig is a blue yo-yo.
Try another one. Are you sure? There are lots of fun games to play here. Feed Polly. Peppa and George love to feed Polly Parrot. Win a sticker for every 20 correct crackers you feed Polly.
Polly wants 4 crackers. Polly wants more. Polly wants 5 crackers. Polly wants more. Polly wants 5 crackers. Polly wants more. Polly wants a cracker. Polly wants more. Polly wants 4 crackers.
Keep going, you've almost won a sticker.
Polly wants more. Polly wants 2 crackers.
Well done, you've won a sticker.
Polly wants more. Polly wants 2 crackers. Polly wants more. Polly wants a cracker. Polly wants more. Polly wants a cracker. Polly wants more. Polly wants 5 crackers. Polly wants more.
Are you sure? Are you sure? There are lots. Welcome to Peppa's Golden Boots app. Choose a game. Let's visit Miss Rabbit. Peppa and her friends have landed on the moon to visit Miss Rabbit's gift shop. Can you help each of them find some special presents? Choose a character to help. Peppa, George, or Susie. George needs your help to find 1 football, 2 lollipops, and 3 building blocks. Hello, Miss Rabbit. Look out! Flick and drag items out of the way to find what you're looking for. Don't forget to look out for a golden boot. Two lollipops. Hurrah! Well done. You have 1 more to find. Well done. And 3 building blocks. Well done. You have 2 more to find. Well done. You have 1 more to find. Well done. You found everything that George wanted. 1 football, 2 lollipops, and 3 building blocks. Press the yellow button to play with another character. Or press the green done button, choose something to do. Let's make some food for the ducks. Help Peppa make some food so she can go and feed the ducks. Choose some ingredients and put them into the bowl. Worms, carrots, corn, oats, seeds, green leaves. Excellent ingredients. Now mix them together. A little bit more. Well done. You have made a tasty duck cake. It looks a little big for the ducks. Can you slice it into smaller pieces? That's it. Keep going. A little bit more. Well done. Let's go and visit the ducks at the pond. We are at the pond, and here come the ducks. Flick or drag some food onto the ducks to feed them. Don't forget to look out for the golden boots. These ducks just love to eat. Well done. You fed all the ducks. And look, they have come to say thank you. Press the yellow button to play again. Choose an activity. Let's see what's hiding in the mud. Daddy Pig knows a lot about being a successful puddle jumper. To become one with the puddle, he says you must think like a puddle. And if you jump in muddy puddles, you must wear your boots. Explore the mud with Peppa and her friends. And don't forget to look out for the golden boots. Look, it is a hedgehog. Tap Freddy to help him make a big muddy splash. Excellent. What's that hiding in the mud? Look, it is a slug. Dig around in the mud and see what you can find. Look, it is a tortoise. Daddy Pig, the champion muddy puddle jumper. Press the yellow button to play again. Choose an activity. Choose a present to unwrap. Fantastic. It is a dinosaur. Tap your present to see what it does. And there is Mrs. Duck. Dino roar. Choose an activity. Let's go to space. Peppa and her friends are flying to the moon in a rocket. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Blast off! Choose the easy, medium, or hard level. Follow the path of stars for a safe journey. Follow the path of stars to help you fly safely through space. Watch out for the planets. Wow, you did it!
Peppa Pig.
Choose a slot to... Help Peppa make the invitations for her party. Choose a background for the invitation. Put some stickers on your invitation. You can make the stickers bigger or smaller by pinching or stretching them with your fingers. Choose some writing for your invitation. Come to Peppa's party. Invitation. Let's party. Peppa's party. Fun, fun, fun. Party time. Do you want to save this invitation for another time? Choose one you want to use again. Make sure you put a stamp on each envelope. Hurrah! That's all the invitations in the post. Here comes Mr. Zebra to empty the postbox. Can you help Peppa to make some party bags? Choose a party bag. Decorate your party bag with some stickers. Touch the tick box when you have finished. Now choose some goodies to put in your party bag. Touch the tick box when you have finished. Well done. Can you help Peppa in the kitchen? Touch the ingredients to add them to the bowl. Butter, sugar, flour, egg. Move the spoon to stir the cake mixture. Choose a baking tray. Touch the tray to pour in some mixture. Well done. That needs to go in the oven now to bake. Touch the sieve to sieve the icing sugar. That's it. Touch the jug to pour in some water. Choose a colour for the icing, blue. Move the spoon to mix the icing. That looks yummy. Choose a filling for your cake. Delicious. Touch a cake to ice it. Now, let's add some decorations. What a lovely cake!
Peppa Pig. Peppa Pig.
Choose a slot. Jigsaw puzzle. Peppa and George love to play jigsaw puzzles. You can win a sticker for every jigsaw you complete. Move the puzzle pieces with your finger to complete the picture. That's the right piece. Can you see what the picture is yet? Well done. You've won a sticker. Well done. Have another go. Splash in the muddy puddles. Chicken coop. Can you help Peppa and George get all the chicks to their correct homes? Win a sticker for every 20 chicks that you get into their correct homes. Well done. You've won a sticker. Well done. You've won a sticker. Well done. You've won a sticker. Well done. Have another go. Why not try a jigsaw puzzle? Happy Mrs. Chicken. Peppa and George love to play Happy Mrs. Chicken. You can win a sticker for every 100 eggs that hatch. Well done. You've won a sticker. Well done. You've won a sticker.
Peppa Pig. Peppa Pig.
Choose a slot. Welcome to Peppa Pig's holiday. Are you ready to go on holiday with Peppa and George and have ice cream? Peppa and George really, really love ice cream. Help them make an ice cream and then decorate it. Choose an ice cream game to play. Help Auntie Goat to make the ice cream. Daddy Pig loves his ice cream. Mummy Pig loves her ice cream. Peppa loves her ice cream. George loves his ice cream. Daddy Pig loves his ice cream. What a delicious ice cream! Peppa loves her ice cream. What a delicious ice cream! What a delicious ice cream! Mummy Pig loves her ice cream. You've won a sticker. You have made lots of lovely ice creams. Let's make pizza. Help Peppa and George make a pizza for the family. Touch the ingredients to add them to the bowl. Water. Flour. Move the spoon to mix the ingredients. Touch the dough and move your finger to knead it. Touch the rolling pin and move your finger up and down to roll the dough. Great! The dough is ready. Touch the tomato sauce to add it to the pizza. Touch the spoon to spread the tomato sauce around the pizza. Now slice the onions. Keep slicing. Now slice the peppers. Keep slicing. Now slice the tomato. Keep slicing. Now slice the pineapple. Keep slicing. Choose some toppings to put on your pizza. Cheese. Take a topping off your pizza by touching it again. Herbs. Onion. Sweet corn. Peppers. Jam. Peanut butter. Pineapple. Spinach. Now drag the toppings onto your pizza. Tomatoes. Olives. Cucumber. Apple. Carrot. Mushrooms. Banana. Beetroot. Now slice your pizza. You've won a sticker. Everyone loves your pizza.
Peppa Pig. Peppa Pig.
Choose a slot to Peppa Pig's Sports Day. Choose an event from the sports day to get playing. Obstacle race. To win this race, you need to lightly tap the button to make your character jump over the obstacles. See how Peppa jumps over the muddy puddle. Choose a character for each person playing and touch the tick when you are ready to start. Madame Gazelle is starting the race. Ready, steady, go! Unlucky. Watch out for puddles. Unlucky. Unlucky. Oh no! We are nearly at the finishing post. What a great race! Peppa is in the lead. Well done. You've won a sticker. Choose an event from the sports day to get playing. Making rosettes. Choose your rosette shape. Choose the ribbons for your rosette. Touch the tick box when you have made your choice. Choose a fun pattern for your rosette. Touch the tick box when you have made your choice. Choose a color for your rosette. Touch the tick box when you have made your choice. Choose another color for your rosette. Touch the tick box when you have made your choice. Touch the tick box when you are happy with your rosette. Well done. You've created your very own rosette. Play Sports Day and look out for your rosette. Choose an event event from the sports day to get playing. Ice cream maker. Take a rest from the games to make a delicious ice cream. Milk, cream, sugar, egg. Move the whisk to mix all the ingredients together. That's it, keep mixing. You have made the ice cream. Now choose 2 of your favorite flavors. Strawberry. Now add another flavor. Strawberry. Now move the spoon to mix it all together. That's it, keep mixing. What a lovely colour. Touch the ice cream machine to pour in the mixture. Only Madame Gazelle can turn on the ice cream maker. Madame Gazelle has turned on the ice cream maker for you. Choose a container for your ice cream. Touch the machine to pour the ice cream into the cone. Touch the sauce you want to add to your ice cream. Dark chocolate. Touch and drag your favourite toppings onto your ice cream. That looks delicious. Now let's add some decorations to make your ice cream extra special. Touch and drag your favourite decorations onto your ice cream. What a lovely ice cream. Well done, you've won a sticker. All finished and ready to eat. Choose an event from the sports day to get playing. Choose a slot to use. There are lots of fun games to play here. Peppa and George are going on a hot air balloon ride. Can you help steer the balloon and collect the objects? Move the hot air balloon to collect the small balloons floating in the sky. Touch them. Basket must touch the balloons to collect them. That's high enough. Time to come down. Down we go. Keep going, you are almost there. Touch the balloons to count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. What a lot of balloons! Well done, you've won 5 tokens. Are you ready to go to the theme park? Peppa loves water games. Can you help Peppa use the water cannon to hit the moving objects? Good shot. Good Good shot. You've done this before, haven't you? You are good at this game. Well done. Ah, great shot. Well done. Good shot. You've done this before, haven't you? Well done. Ah, great shot. You've done this before, haven't you? Ah, great shot. Well done. Fill up the balloons and make them go pop. Well done. You've won 5 tokens. Are you ready to go to the theme park? Peppa and her friends really love to play on the bumper cars. Can you help Peppa steer the car and bump into her friends? Choose one of the games. Use your finger to move Peppa and George's bumper car. Bump the car that you see at the top of the screen. Bump car number 3. Bump car number 4. Bump car number 3. Bump car number 2. Bump car number 3. Bump car number 4. Bump car number 2. Bump car number 3. Bump car number 2. Bump car number 3. Well done. Well done. You've won 5 tokens. There are lots of fun games to play here. This is the theme park shop. You can buy all sorts of exciting things here. Use your tokens to buy stickers for the sticker book. Touch an item to put it on the conveyor. Oh dear, you don't have enough tokens for that. Oh dear, you don't have enough tokens for that. Oh dear, you don't have enough tokens for that. Oh dear, you don't have enough tokens for that. Oh dear, you don't have enough tokens for that. Oh dear, you don't have enough tokens for that. Oh dear, you don't have enough tokens for that. Look at all the lovely things that you've bought. Use your tokens to buy stickers for the sticker book. Are you sure? There are lots of fun games to play here. Every time you play, Peppa and George both have a sweet tooth. Can you help make the candy floss? They can't wait to eat it. Choose one of the games. Daddy Pig would like a blue candy floss. Move your finger around the bowl. Don't stir too much or it will get too big. That looks that was yummy. Next, please, Mummy Pig would like a pink candy floss. Move your finger around the bowl. Don't stir too much or it will get too big. Can you help them to eat the candy floss? Touch that candy floss to eat it. Touch it again. That was yummy. Next, please, Peppa would like a yellow candy floss. Move your finger around the bowl. Don't stir too much or it will get too big. Can you help them to that was yummy. Next, please, George would like a blue candy floss. Move your finger around the bowl. Don't stir too much or it will get too big. That looks delicious. That was yummy. Next, please, Daddy Pig would like a yellow candy floss. Move your finger around the bowl. Don't stir too much or it will get too big. That was yummy. Next, please, Mummy Pig would like a yellow candy floss. Move your finger around the bowl. Don't stir too much or it will get too big. That looks delicious. That was yummy. Next, please, Peppa would like a blue candy floss. Move your finger around the bowl. Don't stir too much or it will get too big. That one's perfect. That was yummy. Next, please, George would like a blue candy floss. Move your finger around the bowl. Don't stir too much or it will get too big. That one's perfect. That was yummy. Next, please, Daddy Pig would like a yellow candy floss. Move your finger around the bowl. Don't stir too much or it will get too big. Can you help them to eat? That was yummy. Next, please, Mummy Pig would like a yellow candy floss. Move your finger around the bowl. Don't stir too much or it will get too big. That looks delicious. That was yummy. Well done. You've won 5 tokens. Choose one of the games. Are you ready to go to the theme park? It's time to drive the train. Can you take the passengers to the next station? Touch the doors of the train to open them. Touch the passengers. Tickets, please. Touch the doors of the train to close them. Touch the green button to make the train go. Turn the wheel to make the train go faster. Turn the wheel to make the train go slower. Touch the red button to stop the train. Well done. You've won a token. The train has stopped. Touch the doors of the train to open them. Touch the passengers. Tickets, please. Touch the doors of the train to close them. Touch the green button to make the train go. Turn the wheel to make the train go faster. Turn the wheel to make the train go slower. Touch the red button to stop the train. Well done. You've won a token. The train has stopped. Touch the doors of the train to open them. Touch the passengers. Touch the doors of the train to close them. Turn the wheel to make the train go faster. Turn the wheel to make the train go slower. Touch the red button to stop the train. Well done. You've won a token. The train has stopped. Touch the doors of the train to open them. Touch the passengers. Tickets, please. Touch the doors of the train to close them. Turn the wheel to make the train go faster. Turn the wheel to make the train go slower. Touch the red button to stop the train. Well done. You've won a token. The train has stopped. Touch the doors of the train to open them. Touch the passengers. Touch the doors of the train to close them. Turn the wheel to make the train go faster. Are you sure? Are you ready to go to the theme park and have some fun? Every time you play a game, you'll earn some tokens. You can spend your tokens in the theme park shop.